Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we are going to tackle a very common question about the Reddit app, how to delete messages. It can be a little confusing because Reddit has two different messaging systems, and the process isn't the same for both. So, let's break it down into simple steps. First, you need to understand the difference between a chat and a private message, or PM. Chats are the modern, instant messenger-style conversations, while private messages are the older, email-style system. Let's start with how to delete a chat message. Open your Reddit app and look for the chat bubble icon, usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to open your chat list. Now, select the conversation that has the message you want to delete. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message you sent. Once you find it, press and hold your finger directly on that message. A small menu will pop up with a few options. You should see an option that says Delete Message. Simply tap on that, and the message will disappear from your chat window. It is very important to remember this key detail. This only deletes the message from your view. The other person in the chat will still be able to see the message you deleted. It does not unsend it. If you just want to clean up your main chat list, you can also hide an entire conversation by swiping left on it and tapping the Hide button. Now, let's talk about the second type, private messages, which you find in your inbox. Deleting these is different and a bit more permanent in a way, but also less effective if you're trying to unsend something. To find your PMs, tap on the bell icon, which is your inbox, and then select the Messages tab at the top. Here, you'll see a list of all your private message conversations. Unlike chats, you cannot delete a single, individual message from a PM thread. Once you send a PM, the other user will always have a copy of it in their inbox unless they decide to delete it themselves. What you can do, however, is delete the entire conversation from your own inbox. To do this, find the message thread you want to get rid of, tap the three little dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then select the option that says Delete Conversation. This will completely remove the entire message history from your account, but again, the other person will still have their copy of the full conversation. So, to quickly summarize, you can delete individual chat messages just from your side, and you can delete entire private message conversations, also just from your side. And that is how you manage and delete messages within the Reddit app. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. For more simple guides and tech tips just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another update. We appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next video.